I'm Natalie and I'm going to be showing you how to grow and care for a string of pearls. The string of pearls plant is a creeping succulent with stems that can grow up to 90 centimeters long. The string of pearls is a trailing succulent, perfect for brightly lit indoor areas. To grow and care for your string of pearls, you'll need some succulent potting mix, a watering can, a pot, some gloves, a dust mask, and some scissors. The string of pearls looks beautiful in hanging pots where the beads can cascade down or on some high shelves. When potting your string of pearls, make sure to use a pot with adequate drainage because they don't like to get too wet. This pot from Bunnings here is perfect because you can pop the bottom and pour any excess water away. String of pearls is generally a very easy plant to grow. It will handle some direct sun, but too much will cause it to burn. A few hours of morning sun should be fine, but relocate the plant if it starts to look unhealthy. During warmer months, you want to water about once every 2 weeks, but when it gets a bit cooler, try and do it about once per month. It's very simple to propagate and make new plants, and I'm going to show you how. Find a longer stem and make a cutting so that you can repot it in your new pot. Pull off some of the beads so that you can plant the stem in your new pot. Fill your new pot with some succulent and cacti potting mix. Make sure you wear your dust mask and gloves when handling potting mix. It contains some microorganisms and fungi that can be really harmful if you breathe it in. Fill your pot up to the top with potting mix and then just pop your little cutting in. Give it a quick water and then watch it grow. And there you have it, another little jewel in the crown. Put your string of pearls in a brightly lit area. Make sure you water it every couple of weeks and your string of pearls will be fit for a queen.